Okay, so the question says the total number of states in Austria and Germany is 25. Germany has 7 more states than Austria. Solve the following systems of equations graphically to find the number of states in each country. So if the total number of states between the two is 25, then we can say that Austria plus Germany equals 25. And we know that Germany has 7 more states than Austria, so the number of states in Germany equals Austria plus an additional 7. So now when we want to graph and solve the solution to this system of equations to find the value for a and g, we have to rearrange them to get one of the variables by itself. So a and g can be either x or y, it doesn't matter as long as you choose one. In this case, I'm going to pick g to be my y variable because it's already isolated here, so I only have to rearrange the first equation. So if I rearrange this to get the g by itself, I'll subtract a from both sides, and g equals 25 minus a. Now we go into our calculator, click on y equals, and graph these. So we've got 25 minus x and x plus 7. Now you're going to have to adjust your window settings here. In this case, we know we don't have any negative number of countries, so we can put both of our minimums at 0. And our maximums here, we know that there's only a total of 25 between the two states, so neither one is going to have more than 25, so we can just make our maximums at 25. And now if we graph this, we'll see that the solution to this is this intersection point here. So in order to solve for that, we click second, trace, number 5, intersect, and it will say first curve. Since we only have 2 equations entered, you can just hit enter 3 times. If you had more than 2, then you'd have to make sure you're on the correct line. So just hit enter, 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 and the intersection is at 9 and 16. So now you have to go back and say, okay, which one was my x, which one was my y? So our x, y coordinate, Germany we said was the y value, and Austria we said was the x value. So Germany has 16 states, and Austria has 9.